Hello, this is about mental health awareness. Don't skip a single second of this video. Close your eyes, be relaxed, and concentrate on words and speech. Not focus on pictorial video, it is just formality. Let's start it. First of all, we discuss about what is mental health awareness. If we define it, the term mental health awareness, it's just like mental illness awareness means bringing down the walls of stigma by sharing our experiences, stories, and truths. It means educating others on what mental illness is. No, they are not alone. So there are some types of mental illness like number one, mood disorder. This is a common disorder, common illness of mental. And number two, personality disorder. Number three, physiotic disorder. Number four, eating disorder. Number five, substance abuse disorder, etc. Here are some warning signs of mental illness. Number one, long lasting sadness. Number two, extremely high and low moods. Number three, excessive fear and worry or anxiety. Number four, social withdrawal. Number five, dramatic change in eating or sleeping habit. No, mental illness had always been most controversial and important topic in the society. We are surrounded by it whether we know it or not. Depression is the most common type of illness which is very common in adults of our society. Depression is around the globe and has no limit and does not differentiate or rich or poor, black to white, Republican to Democrat. Discrimination keeps people forgetting the treatment for the mental health problem, which is very sad truth because like any other disease there is treatment for this type of mental illness. A considerate amount people after getting the required treatment get better. Did you know what 1 in 4 American people suffer a mental illness? Creating awareness is a difficult task. We make sure to fill one day or month with green ribbon. But do we really know what the green ribbon means? When there is awareness about mental health is eases identification and early treatment for these individuals could be our father, mother, son, daughter, neighbors, friends, or even maybe it could be ourselves. Early intervention can help our loved one receive appropriate care. As a result, recovery is fast. Do you know how to access the service? We found that out of 176, I mean to say 176 people, 50% did no access mental health services because they were unaware of how to. Lack of access B can be due to misinformation about where to go. Mental illness cannot be treated by simple desire. Treatment is necessary. We also found that in many cases, people may not access these services because it is difficult due to cultural and language barriers. Awareness also eliminate stigma for these people if we are aware of their limitations and strengths. Stigma may disappear. Let's just say your daughter was not, sorry, your daughter was just diagnosed bipolar disorder. Would you like this around you? Comments? She is crazy? Lock her up. Stigma refers to the opinion and thought of a community. Stigma shames the mental ill. Create a community where mind are closed off and rejects acceptance of those who are difficult, who are different attitude and behaviors. More a community into either a positive or negative trends. Awareness can also create new improvements for the mentally ill. As there is more demand from the public, it can reduce a flow of attention. This attention can eventually result in great changes for the mentally ill. It can lead to improvements. Let's make this issue a priority because we have a high demand if we raise more awareness. There is also the attitude that these people are either crazy, possessed by demons, violent, out of control, and unsafe. These are negative labels that have been attached due to the lack of awareness. Raising awareness can reduce misconceptions. Imagine your daughter with bipolar disorder being described by these words. How would this make you feel? Why continue to live in a community where there is judgment? If we could promote awareness on the issue, mental health awareness should not only be for a day, two, or even a month. We must be informed about it because it can easily happen to someone close to us. Awareness reduces negative adjectives that have been set to describe our people with a mental illness. Awareness is a form of education. The more you know, the more power you have. Knowledge is power. This power can cause a positive effect in our community. Awareness is key for understanding what mental health is and how families can receive the help they need. Public knowledge is important in accessing community resources. Lack of awareness of mental health is not just their problem, it is our problem as a community. Talk to someone about this article and ask them to share it with someone else. Let's start a domino effect for awareness on mental health. Don't be scared to talk about it. It's hard work, but the power to reach and teach the community is well worth it.